Hi there, how are you? We are going to have a very quick run through of the Ballad of John and Yoko. As you can see, I had previously shot a video, but apparently it chopped off at the end. I've no idea why that is, so we're just going to read the whole thing. So here we are. We're going to start off with the riff this time. We've got E, G sharp, B, C sharp, B. That's it. So you get one and two and three and four and one and two and three and four and. Okay, so we've got 0, 4th fret, 2nd, 4th, 2nd. I might put some little tab stuff up as well, okay? Help you out. So we've got pretty straightforward. Okay, so then when the song underneath changes to an A, the chord underneath changes to A, we're going to get A. Exactly the same riff, but just on the A and D strings. Alright, so chord-wise, in the verse we have E, we've got an A, we've got a B7, we've got an E7. So we basically have, and the strumming pattern, basically just going to go up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. Now what's really good is if you can put some accents to make it really move, you know, so that you're going to get 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and da da. So 1 da 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 da. So that's 4 bars of E major. So we're just going 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 2. So you can kind of hit the 1 a bit harder, so 1, or you can hit the 2 and the 4 a bit harder. It's up to you really. What's happening in the song is, I think they're just kind of hitting everything the same. But if you want to go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and... You see, it gives it a bit more. Anyway, up to you, man. Play it how you like. So, E7 is the next chord, the next 4 bars. We're going to da 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 ba da ba da. And we're going to hit an A major. So we hit A, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2, E, 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then B7, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and E and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay, so that's the verse. Now that just repeats the 16 bar round. Then we have bridge. And we start on A. Charity. And then B7. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3. See what I mean? So we're going 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3. And then it's basically how you either stop it with my left hand like I just did. I went, yeah, so just put your fingers flat on the strings. It's not going to make a sound. Or you can use the back of your right hand. So da-da. Up to you, either way. Do a bit of both. Okay, some riffs. We've got some George Harrison riffs. We've got, now what's happening here is we're playing B and G sharp. Semitone lower, so that's the 4th fret on the G and E strings. Okay, so 1 and 2, 3 and 4. That's over the E, because this is an E. If you know how to play a D major, you slide it up, you recognise these two guys from the chord. So you're just playing the chord over the chord. And he does the same thing over A at the 9th fret. And then B. And E. And later in the song, I think it goes the other way as well. So you know, so that kind of thing. You know. So either direction, have a little fiddle around with it. You'll see how that works. And the last thing is there's a little outro guitar solo. Just 2 seconds. I'm just going to learn that. 2 4 6 2 4 6 2. So 2 4 6 2 4 6 2 slide 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 ba ba ba. Okay, so got that part. Then we're going to do the and then come down. And that is how it goes. Thanks very much for watching. Please do subscribe for more videos. Every Saturday we've got a brand new one. Click the notification bell. There's loads of sorts of videos on all sorts of tunes, techniques, and even some gear reviews from time to time. I will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye. Aeroplanes. Aeroplanes. Always the aeroplanes.